Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Sale, the High Level Queen, and today we are going to talk about how to set up your contracts and payments inside of High Level so you can cancel your contract management software and save more money per month on your software subscriptions. So let's get started. So for those of you guys who don't know, we actually have a free Facebook group called Marketing Agency Automation Secrets, where we give away hundreds of dollars in free trainings every single week to our members. So click the link below to go check that out. Okay, so step one, you want to insert your Stripe API key. You're going to put the API key in Settings, Integrations, and there's going to be a little section called Stripe account. You're going to put your publishable key here and your secret key here. Okay, so if you don't know how to get your API key, go into Stripe, dashboard.stripe.com/API keys. It's under developers and then API keys. And you're going to have your publishable key here and your secret key here. This is production data. So if you want to test it first, click this view test data, and it will give you your test keys. Then you're going to go ahead and paste them into this box. Step two, you want to create your contract form. So we're going to go to Marketing and then Form Builder. We're going to click on Create a New Form, and we're going to get the full name. We're going to get the phone number. We're going to get the email, and we are going to go to Styles and turn off agency branding. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Custom Fields. We're going to click on Add Custom Field, and we're going to do Signature. Okay, save it. And then we're going to go find the signature and drag it over. All right. And then if you want to even get more fancy, you can do like a little checkbox that says I agree to the terms above, and then you put that here. Or you could put that underneath. And then you can put, this is where you put anything that you want to put in here, identifiable information, okay? So we're going to click Integrate Form, Save and Exit. Step three, we're going to go create our contract funnel. So go to Funnels and Websites and create a new funnel. You can name it Contract. And then we're going to make a new step called Contract. Go in, edit the page, do a quick little funnel. Just going to quickly put this together. Please review and sign below. Okay, and then we're going to add our form. So go ahead and drag the form over. The form is your form that you just made. Cool. Also, what you're going to want to add probably above this, all of your contract verbiage, okay? All right, so you will get X, Y, and Z. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not going to give you contract verbiage in here. You can go to Rocket Lawyer if you want and see what they have available, but you need to put your contract in here and your form in here, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and save it. Go back out. Step four, what you want to do is create a new step, call it Payment, edit the page. And this is where you're going to insert your two-step order form so that your client can pay you money. Okay, and I always go in here and I turn off shipping because that's kind of silly. and then save it. And you're going to want to set up, after you insert this, you're going to want to go into products, add a product in here, and then what you can do is tie it to your Stripe products, or you can just create a new product. And if you want to start charging recurring, then you would add it here. So let me go over to an account that I actually have integrated so I can show you this. Okay, here we go. So you can actually, to add a product, you can do a subscription if you are providing marketing services. But then here is where you're going to link it to the Stripe plan that you already have. So if it's marketing, let's say marketing growth, okay, then you put the product description, then you put the trial period. So this is where you can put in that 7-day trial or whatever to give yourself a week to get everything set up before you start charging them. You can also charge a setup fee right here with this upfront fee. So if you have $1,000 setup and you want to start charging them on day 7, that's how you would do that. So you're going to go ahead and save it. And then, okay, so you want to go ahead and save that. And then the final step, you're going to want to test everything, okay? So make sure that you go back into your funnel and that you test everything. So let's go in here. We're going to make sure that our next funnel step, you have to be really careful with this redirect action here. I'm going to say go to next step. And then we're going to preview it. So you can fill this out. Okay. And then sign it. That's working great. I agree. Submit. Cool. Let's see what happens next. Oh, awesome. Look, it brought up the payment page. Okay. You can use your test Stripe keys. You can fill this out. You can do a full test. If you want to test a credit card, it's 4. And then the rest 1s, and any expiration date and CVV in the future. Go ahead and test it. And guys, if you want to learn how to automate your entire backend of your agency, we actually teach that in our Digital Agency Hacker program. You can check the link in the description to go create a free account and go see what that's about. We have really enjoyed helping agency owners to automate their entire client onboarding and backend processes. So go check that out, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates from me. I'll see you next time.